Remember, bro, that's a Yamaha R1 on dirt, okay? She's bad. Oh, that's right, you had a CRF 450. That's just chump change right there. Oh, this thing sounds so weak. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, hell no. No, I'm getting exhaust like tomorrow. Here we go, guys. Whoa! Oh, God! Oh, this thing freaking rips! Wow! So much easier to lift up than the Raptor, I have to say, 100%. Well, I take that back. Not so much easier, but definitely easier. Raptor's still very, very, very bad to the bone. Look at those burnouts, guys. Spin outs, burnouts, whatever you want to call them. My spin outs coming back now, I was actually getting pretty squirrely with this thing. Sorry, brother. Didn't mean to cut you off. Let me do a couple hardcore power rolls. I'm in 5th gear. It's gonna get the engine pretty warm because she's gonna be working way down low to way up top. Here we go. Oh yeah. Do a couple of those power pulls. Break this engine in real good. I don't know if you guys realize, but tomorrow, I hope I don't blow it up. So I'm gonna put this bad girl to the test. I really, truly don't know who I'm rooting for more. Megatron or the CRF? How about this? You guys tell me which one you want to see come out on top. Are you hoping that the CRF takes the win, or are you hoping the Raptor takes the win? Here we go, a couple more poles from down low. God, I can't get used to that power. Another long pole. Man, This thing is truly a race bike. Yes, sir. Here we go. Watch this roost. Hold on. Hold. 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 Now! Oh, man. If you guys couldn't tell, what movie did that come from? That was Braveheart. Definitely Braveheart. Clutch is good. It's definitely good. She sticks hard. One thing I do have to remember, and I keep forgetting, but I only have front brakes. That's one of the things I still have to buy for this bike, is a rear caliper. All right. We're gonna get my brother's perspective now. Brother, yeah. Jump on it. Remember, bro, that's a Yamaha R1 on dirt, okay? She's bad. Oh, that's right, you had a CRF 450. That's just chump change right there. Oh, this thing sounds so weak. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, hell no. No, I'm getting exhaust like tomorrow. That is terrible. This thing sounds weak. Guys, I am a huge Raptor fan. Wow. But I have to say, that sounded weak. Wow. There we go. Let's do them right here. Oh, we're at the ditch. Hold on. Coordination, you're better than that. Second gear, baby. That was wicked. Let me get a cool down run, and then I'm gonna have him film that from his perspective. Look at that CRF 250R. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, the Raptor's gonna have a run for its money. Oh man. And God, you gotta love them duals out the back. Look at that. Absolutely sexy. Absolutely sexy. That's gonna be a close race. Guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow we're lining up the Red Beast versus the White Beast. Megatron versus the Honda CRF 250R race bike. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Smash that like button if you've enjoyed this video. I apologize if I spoke too much. It's hard to play the quiet game when you're on machines like this, but I'll promise I'll try harder to be quiet. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate that. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And for now, guys, this is Squad Nation 929. I'm out.